Yes, Empire Crypto TV. Be sure to click that that like button and check out our description, or check out our links on the description section. This is Empire Crypto TV, and we are doing a trading tutorial based on pending orders. Okay, this is for beginners. Okay, this is a very basic stuff that we're going to be doing here. Pending orders. Usually when you are trading, or when you start trading, you hear a lot about market orders. But today, this market order is instantly executed if I press a buy order here, and I press a buy order here as well. It will instantly go into the market and then start trading. But there are times when people want to place orders at a specific price. And they use this technique of pending orders. There is a stop limit, and there is a buy limit, and there is a sell limit. There is a stop, buy stop, and a sell stop. So we're going to be working with those four basic ones. They are also have been used in other platforms like your MT4. This is a trading view one that I'm showing. If you want me to show you the MT4 one, it can be done as well, but it's gonna apply to every one of them. Okay. Okay, this is my MT4 account from Okta. Let me just access my account just to show you. Alright, so what happens here is that once you have the situation like this right here, like your MT4, okay, let it just register. Just take some time, but demo. Alright, here we go. Now, what I wanted to just demonstrate is just that now it's taking me all the way around, but anyway, it's fine. Here, when you have a market where you have euro, US dollar, you simply come and click buy, or click a right click, and then you say new order. And then you can start setting it up here on MT4. Quite the same thing. And then you say pending order. There you have it all the way down here. You have your buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. Okay, so I want to deal with these four basic ones, but let us go back to trading view. It also applies same technique on trading. They might have a different setup, but it's the same technique. Now let us start with the first one. Let us start with the limit order here on trading view. So I want to start with the buy limit. Okay, so if I believe that this is a trend that, for example, all right, just making this for example, okay, this is a trend that I have here. It looks like it's going to be coming down, but sort of like going up again. But you know what? I'm not too sure. I want to buy it way lower than it is, way lower the price than it is. So I want to buy it way lower than 1.07670 and fluctuating, you know. So this is my line. I'm going to use this yellow line to indicate where I can place my order. So if I want to buy it here, so which means I believe that the market is going to first retrace here and then come up eventually. Even if it triggers this buy, maybe it may go down a little bit, then come up. And from then on, I can start seeing the market going up. So for now, I don't want to buy it, so I want to buy it. So when you are doing the limit order or a buy limit, so you have to buy below the market price in this instance. So which means you have to buy below the market price, but you have to set it up. So you come here, then you come and just check out the price itself, change the price where you want to buy it. Which price do you want to buy it for this order? Okay, right here it says 1.05 thousand. Okay, it's 1.05 thousand US dollars that I want to acquire in this trade. Okay, that's when it will trigger. It will trigger this price at this point. Okay, it will trigger that price. That's the one I'm using. This yellow trend line just to indicate where I want to buy it. So I want to buy it here, and plus I still need to put in what you call stop loss and take profits. They still need to apply. Okay, they still need to apply. okay, let me take it out. Maybe I might change the color for it, but now it's fine. So I still need to apply my stop loss and my take profit. All right, come up here. Sometimes let me just change the color for this line, okay, so that we can specifically see settings. It's yellow. I just want to change the line. Okay, let's make it red instead. Make it red and say okay. Right, so here I can still apply and say okay, well, I want to take a stop loss round about here. Let me see the price action. Want a stop loss around about here. Okay, want a stop loss at 1.01942. okay, there's my stop loss. I can start by typing it there. Right, take out that. I want it at 1.01910, okay, for example. Okay, that's my stop loss. And again, I still need to apply my take profit. I can take it up and say, okay, I want to take profit when it reaches up here, for instance. These are just examples. I don't want people to apply what I'm doing here. I'm just making an example so that people can understand this. Okay, so say take profit, take it out there, and then I can say 1.09980. It just also highlights for you where you have put in that automatically. Okay, that's why I love TradingView. Okay, it's advanced and it can be used. So you have your stop loss and your take profit, and you know where you want to trigger your price. So you have your limit order. Then you just simply say buy. Then you wait for the order. So it won't go in immediately. You see, this is where I'm going to buy. This is where I'm going to be take. This is where it's gonna stop loss. There is my take profit over there above. Okay, simple. That is your limit order thus far. Now let us now for a sell order or a limit sell or a sell limit. Okay, right now I just did a buy limit, but that's a buy limit order. Now, in order for me to do a sell limit order, I have to also do the vice versa part. Let us go to another pair, like a Great British Pound pair, for example. Just make an example. Okay, now I have also that line also here that is just placed itself automatically, but which is still fine. Sell limit still say is the same thing. Now the market is going up, and I want to buy the market. I want to sell it when it's much higher. Okay, maybe I want to sell when it reaches here at this point. While it's going up, when the prices reaches there, it must trigger for a sell order. That is going to be a sell limit. And once again, I have to apply the price for a sell limit. Okay, I have to apply the price right there. What is it? 1.23, 121 is going to be 1.23.121, for example. That's where I'm gonna. That's where I want my order to trigger. That's to trigger. It must trigger at that price. Okay. Now, I still apply my stop loss and my take profits. So I won't do it again, but you also have an understanding from what I've done before for the buy limit. You can also do the same thing with the sell limit. Okay, let me just bring it down a little bit. Let us apply our stop loss and take profits. Let's say I want to, okay, it's a sell limit. I want to take profit around about here. Okay, bring it down here. Maybe I want to take profit here, and I have to just 1.17593. Okay, so I'm gonna just say 1.17953. Okay, that's where I want. Let me just make sure if that's the right one. 17. Yes, 9. Okay, no, not 9. Okay, let me just, it's not 9, it's 593. Okay, 593. Okay, that's where my take profit is going to be. All right, now you see it also tells me, okay, wait a minute, some error that I've done here. 17.0. okay, buy limit. Oh, I have to say sell. Okay, I had to say sell. Be careful now with these kind of things. I have to also allow it to say sell. That's why it's giving me a warning. Now it can allow me to place that take profit, because it was inappropriate. I had to switch the order to sell. I just forgot that I have to put it for a sell limit. Okay, now let us put now also our take profit here, and then we're gonna take our do our take profit adjustment. Let's say I wanna stop loss. Okay, take profit, I already done that. We wanna put a stop loss if it goes up any higher than this. I would like to take it up here. Is my stop loss. It's 1.28. Let me just write it down while I'm looking at 1.28 and the 433. Then you place, here we go, sell limit order. Right? Okay, these are pending orders. Now, before I go any further, let us look at order history right here. Order history, orders 6. Okay, let's just see. You come to orders, come up, right? Okay, you have buy, take profit, stop loss, limit, history. Check out our history. There we go, sell and buy limit orders. So be aware that they are not yet triggered as yet. So you won't see profits and losses as of yet. So in this situation, you still have to wait for it until it triggers the price that you have set in. So there is it sell limit, buy limit, euro, Great British Pound. Now what about the stop orders? Okay, let's choose another pair. Okay, buy stop and sell stop orders. Those are other types of pending orders that you can also. So now with the pending order, you believe that since the market is going up in this direction, and you believe that it will continue going up, unlike the limit order whereby you have to wait to bounce off or retrace off in a certain price and then it comes down. Here you say that it's gonna continue going up, and when it continues going up, I want to place an order in advance, maybe here. Okay, let us just place, I'm gonna place a trend line here. Right, this trend line here is where I want to enter the market. When it hits this line here, this price, and then at 134.054, that's when I'm gonna place, that's when I want it to start buying. So this is a buy stop. I'm gonna start with the buy stop. And normal limit orders, we're gonna deal with stop orders. So buy stop, sell stop is the one that we're dealing with right now. Okay, so we're gonna place the price once again. Right there is the price where I want it to trigger. I can just replace it and say 133.955, right? And then also still you need to still apply your take profit and your stop losses as well. So where it's gonna go, it's gonna hit this, it's gonna trigger this part of the market of the price, and then it will continue going up, and then this is where I want to take my profit, okay, at 138.000. So I'm gonna just say take profit, then just change it out. That's where I'm gonna take my profit at 138.1230. Okay, this is where I want to take my profit right here. Push this line here. I want to take my profit right here, because I believe that the market is gonna continue going up. But also I do apply my stop loss should the market be triggered, then coming all the way down. At least I want to be able to save myself 1.30, yeah, right there, 1.30 and 1.30 and 255. So I'm gonna just say 130.255. That's where I'm gonna stop loss if anything goes badly on this trade. Then there we go. Then you place the buy stop order, then it goes through. Okay, there you go. Then it's gonna just show you. And then now let us just go and see this orders account. Sorry, let's check out these things. Say history. Check out this stuff here. I don't know why it's hanging so long. Buy stop, sell stop. Okay, there's 9 of them. Stop loss. Okay, where's my order? Come on, I want to see my order. Account history. Okay, why it hasn't registered? Okay, I don't know why, but we'll check it out again. Okay, this is my buy stop order. You can see it's also written buy stop order. Let us see sell stop orders now. We're gonna pick up another pair. I'll take Bitcoin versus USDT, for instance. Then I'm gonna apply these orders as well. Okay, sell stop. So I believe that the market is gonna continue going all the way down. Stop order. Then where would I enter it when it goes down? Maybe below the market price, of course, which is 22,800. Okay, for example. Okay, 22,800. 22,800. Okay, 22,008. Okay, that's where I want to buy my sell my Bitcoin 0.00, and then come down, take profit. Okay, when it continues going down after this mark of 22,000, and then if it continues going down and dropping, for example, I maybe take profit here. Let me use my trend line as well. Okay, I want to take profit maybe here. Okay, maybe I just want to take profit here. Down here, all the way down. It must not go beyond 22,000. I want to take profit here. 21,000. If it goes and then falls all the way down, it can go down to 21,000. Okay, for example. Okay, just take it out. Alright, what's this? Okay, now say 21,000. 100. Okay, and then that would be my okay, this is a sell limit. Sorry, you have to go to sell for this. This is a sell stop. Sorry. So I believe that the market is gonna come down. This is where my take profit, and then my stop loss should it goes against me, which means I have to stop it lost, because if it goes up, it means that I'm losing. So I'm gonna just say stop loss maybe around about say 23,000. Okay, maybe the prices are too wide open, maybe at 22,000, for example. 22,000, I can stop loss it. Okay, 0.00. Okay, then I just simply sell, stop the market, and I just click it. Those are pending orders. I hope you've learned much about pending orders here on TradingView. They also apply also right here on your MetaTrader 4 if you are trading on the Forex market mainly. But they also apply, you just need to adjust them, understand them. Buy limit, sell limit, stop, buy stop, and sell stop. So those are the 4 pending orders that you can use in order to manage your risk in the trading platform. That was for the TradingView, but it also applies in the platform for MetaTrader 4. Empire Crypto TV, be sure to subscribe and hit that like button. Until next time, I hope you find this lecture useful. Until next time, bye-bye.